Clean power wash. I want to show you we're working on our hot link. Sorry, it's dark out. We got our Beckett burner. It's a hot link model CPHL 5E1. It's 5.5 gallon a minute burner. Hot link. We got our little diesel tank. It's run off of our generator, so we just plug into that little Predator. But we were doing a commercial job the other day, and this component, relief valve, started shooting water out of it. We're losing roughly 2 gallons a minute or so out of it. It's a tight squeeze, and sorry, I'm getting eaten again alive by all the mosquitoes out here, which is fun, and it's raining, so, but we got to get it done. So we're going to put this other one on here. I'm a little worried that that Teflon tape is on there because it's been used before, but we'll find out, and we've got a couple others that we'll try just in case. It is a tight squeeze. I literally had to take the wrench this way, go quarter turn, and then that way, and then keep going back and forth until we got it loose enough to hand turn it, which took about 10 or 12 of those movements. So we'll put that back on there. This is a component that, I mean, it will eventually wear. We've had this hot link, I want to say, for 2 years now. So anyways, we're gonna just go ahead and put this in, put new Teflon tape on it, put it in there. We'll send our guys on Friday. We've got a job that needs hot water with 2 spare ones of those just in case. I had 4 of them, and I'm not really sure why I have 4 of them. So, but this one we'll go ahead and junk since we know it is no longer used, no longer usable. So anyways, have a great night, guys. Hope that helps. See ya.